If you've ever struggled to find a specific photo in OneDrive or your files are starting to feel a little messy, this video is going to help. Today, I'm showing you how to organize and find photos in OneDrive step by step, so you can quickly locate the images you need and keep everything neatly sorted. This is especially useful if you store screenshots, camera uploads, event photos, or work images in OneDrive and want a much easier way to manage them. Before we get started, please take a second to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. It really helps the channel and it makes sure you don't miss the next helpful guide. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Microsoft OneDrive in your browser and sign in to your account if you aren't already logged in. Once you're inside OneDrive, go to My Files. This is where all of your folders and uploaded photos are stored. If you already have a folder for your images, open that folder. If not, don't worry, we'll get to organizing them in just a moment. Now that you're inside the folder containing your photos, the easiest way to find a specific image is to use the search bar at the top. Just type in the file name or part of the file name, and OneDrive will show you matching results. This is perfect if you remember what the photo was called, or if your camera or device gave it a recognizable name. You can also use the search bar to narrow down older images faster instead of scrolling through everything manually. Next, if you want to make browsing easier, click Sort. OneDrive gives you a few useful sorting options, and each one can help in a different way. You can sort by date modified if you want to see your most recently changed or uploaded photos first. You can sort by name if you prefer everything in alphabetical order, which is great when you use clear file names. And you can sort by size if you want to quickly identify large images or compare file types. Once your photos are easier to see, you can start organizing them into folders. Select the photos you want to move by clicking the checkboxes next to them. After that, choose Move To if you want to place them into a different folder. This is the best option when you want to clean up your main photo area and keep everything separated by topic, event, date, or project. For example, you could create folders for family photos, work screenshots, travel images, or school files. If you want to keep a copy in more than one place, you can choose Copy To instead. This duplicates the selected photos into another folder or album without removing them from the original location. That can be useful when you want the same photo stored in multiple categories or when you want to back up important images in more than one folder. If you don't already have a place for your photos, you can create one right inside OneDrive. Just click New, then choose Folder. Give the folder a clear name so it's easy to recognize later. A good folder name can save you a lot of time when you come back to search for files in the future. After creating the folder, move related photos into it so everything stays grouped together. A really good tip here is to use simple naming and folder structure. For example, you might keep one main folder for photos and then make subfolders for years, events, or categories. That way, even if you have hundreds of images, you won't have to dig through a giant list every time you need something. Another helpful habit is to rename important files before you store them, especially if you want search to work better later. Clear file names make OneDrive search much more effective, and they make it much easier to remember what's inside each folder. So to quickly review the process, open OneDrive, go to My Files, open your photo folder, use the search bar to find specific photos, use Sort to arrange them by date, name, or size, then select the images you want and use Move To or Copy To. If needed, create a new folder first and organize related photos into the right place. That's really all it takes to organize and find photos in OneDrive without wasting time. Once you get into the habit of using folders, search, and sorting, your photos become much easier to manage and you'll always know where to find them. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.